So this is the app ideation that I created for the AR folklore stories for Parameswara. So here in the story creator, you can use the characters, you can create using the character creator here, and awesome. Here I've chosen King Parameswara as the protagonist. And you also can choose an environment where you can choose different locations there, and also you can have a look at the environment and choose props in the environment and review the story and publish it before you can review it. And also you have some tips on how to create those environments in Reality Composer. Now to access freeform, tap on the icon on your iPad, and to create a new file, tap on the pencil icon there. So here I have created a semi freeform that is half, with some text and images. To start off, we will add some sticky notes here to identify existing problems here. We'll just tap on that icon, and a sticky note is created. So you can add some text straight away to the sticky note. Now, what you also can do is add a duplicate. So just tap on the plus icon and you can duplicate the sticky note. And what you also can do is to change colors, right? There I've changed it to blue and then maybe purple. So you get the idea. Easy peasy, very powerful sticky note feature. And you also can adjust the font size, or make it italic, underline it there in the sticky note. The next feature that I am going to show you is how to use the drawing feature in freeform. Now, how to access the drawing feature is by tapping that pencil icon in the top center, and you will be displayed with some awesome stationery, right? So here I'm gonna use the eraser and erase some of the drawings that I have created. Now I'm gonna tap on the pencil icon there, and you can just the color. I'm gonna change it to a bit gold, and let's use the pencil to draw. And you also can also change the point, the lead or the size of the point of the pencil. Now, what I've done is I've drawn an arrow, right? And here you can also use crayons. So I've scribbled some stuff, but I don't like it. So I'll change the color to a bit yellowish, and I'm gonna scribble some, crayonish decorations on top of the drawing that I drew. Next, I will be showing you how to use or add a PDF to the freeform. Now I've opened Safari and I've used split screen, and how to add it to freeform is just by dragging from Safari straight onto freeform, and it will magically appear on the freeform sheet that you've used. So you can resize the image, and if you want to have a look, tap on the eye icon there, and it will bring you straight away to the PDF on the website or the website link, right? Now, for the final two features that I'm going to show you on Freeform is to add images and videos. So I'll be adding some stuff there. But before that, let me draw an arrow. So same procedure just now, using the pencil and draw an arrow there. Right. So to add a picture or image, tap on the image icon in the middle, top middle there. And here I've inserted an image that I generated using generative AI. Very powerful images. And same procedure as the PDF or link, you can access the or put it to full screen by tapping on the eye icon. Right. Now to add a video, same procedure, just tap on the video and voila, it'll be straight away inserted and you can resize as fit. Awesome, right?